Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, Izzy's gonna show me how to draw
I watch you.
a watcher from Horizon Zero Dawn.
Yes.
Here we go.
I played the Lego version.
Okay, so you played the Lego version and you just started the normal version, the full game. Okay, so the watcher, let's go. Show me.
Okay, first we draw the circle.
Okay, we're gonna draw a circle. Just like that.
And we're gonna draw this and this.
You see? Okay, so we draw two lines outside of that circle. Just like that.
Then we will do this.
Hmm.
And draw a line, another line, and connect it and do this and this. Well, that why look like the
Okay. So I can add those little details there. So I draw a line going up,
Yes.
one going across, coming back, and joining up again there. And you have a little detail thing there, and a little detail thing there.
Well, not the detail, but you
Okay, so I've got it as well.
Okay. Then we will add the hanging thing.
A hanging thing.
Yes.
Okay, so let me see. Just like that.
Then we will connect this.
Uh-huh.
Then we will do this. And yeah.
Okay, so that bit hangs over the wrist there. So that goes there, coming down here, go through there behind that line, and move it up, and I connect that there.
Then we will connect this.
What did we just connect that? Oh, down there.
Yes.
Okay, so just there and there.
Well, you can add a reflection if you want.
Okay, so but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna keep it so. Okay, I guess I'll do that. It's simple enough. Just a little reflection type thing there.
Okay, then we will do this.
Okay, so what am I drawing here? So just a line that comes down and up and over. But is this his back or?
Yeah, be better.
Okay, it's part of his back. So like that and up and over.
Then we didn't draw the leg. To draw a curve.
Okay, just from there, a curve. Uh-huh.
Then we will connect this like this.
So we connect that onto that curve.
This.
Okay.
We draw another curve here.
One there.
Then we connect this.
Okay, so I connect this bottom bit over here.
Yes. Then you will do this.
Okay, a thick black line, is that bottom part of the watch's leg? Okay, so like a Blade Runner style leg. I'm gonna thicken this. In fact, we have a chisel tip, so we can thicken that. Okay.
Then we will connect this.
Like a proper lizard. Lizard style way now, let me see. So just from the back, we can take it from the back. Yeah, I'm gonna take it from like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and the bottom bit as well.
Okay, then we will connect this.
Okay. So just a straight one there. Uh-huh.
Then we will draw the other leg.
Oh, I see. So the other bit of the leg is showing from that side. And I draw that Blade Runner. Yep.
Don't forget to add a little bit black in this thing.
On here, on the edge.
The leg.
Okay, so just part of the leg gets a bit of detail bits there. Okay.
Then we will add this.
A line throughout the thing. So I'm gonna take it from there and down.
Then we add some line.
Okay, some lines. So this looks like. So the watch is basically like a Velociraptor style dinosaur robot thing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, you played it. That means
Yeah.
you already know.
I already know.
Then connect this.
Can I close this up with a line here? Does that make sense? Or do we leave it as is?
Do it.
Okay, so I'm going to do a line here. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, did you close off the back part here? Okay, close off the back part of that.
Okay, finally you read it. Then we'll do this.
Okay, so 2 lines over there, 2 detail things, and another one.
Then add this circle.
Okay, so
But I think it's with B as well, but
okay, so I'm gonna make one like more square. Okay.
the final part is the tail. First we gonna make a long bendy stick.
A long bendy stick. Okay, so long and bendy and square tip there, you know? I see you have your square tip, and I'll do that.
Yes. Then we will close it up.
Okay.
You will see why.
Okay, I'll see why.
Then we might do this.
Okay, so lines going down in there.
And finally, we do this.
Oh, I see more of that. So a line there and going there, and more of these lines. It actually makes it look like a lizard, like a dinosaur. Okay, so that's a watch it. Are we done with the watch it?
Well, we have to color in.
Okay, so yeah, we need to color. So are we straight to color now? We're done with the marker at least.
We had to color.
Are we gonna do that with pencil or marker? Because it's a lot of black. I think I'm gonna do mine with pencil. Okay. Okay, so for color, here we go.
Yep.
In fact, before we color, we're gonna ask everybody to drop us a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel, and please comment on this video so you know we can hear from you. Okay, easy. Time for color. I'm going with black, and where's another dark color here? What's that? Is this gray? Is this dark? I can't see. Just do this. Oh, it's like a blue. Don't we have a gray? Here's the gray. Okay. So, which one are you gonna go for? Black or gray? To do the dark bits? You're gonna do it? Okay. Then I'm doing black. Here we go.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our watches from Horizon Zero Dawn.
Yes, I accidentally colored the part of black by accident, so I had to turn it into epic watch it.
So Izzy's got an Apex watcher because he accidentally colored that with black. Yeah. So you've got the Apex watcher, which is like the stronger version of the watcher.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be weak like the other one. In the like, you're like you weak, and I actually mean I like. Are you sure about that? I like, oh no.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, into that. Okay, then what you hated the robot anymore?
My most hated one. I think anything that can fly is annoying. Any of the flying ones.
Skywalker.
Shell Walker, your most annoying one.
Yes.
Is that the one with the shields?
Yes. I don't believe
Okay, so please comment what your most annoying or the one you dislike the most. Which of these robot animals in either Lego Horizon, what's it called, Horizon Adventures,
Yes.
or the normal Horizon Zero Dawn game, or Horizon Forbidden West. You can please comment what's your most hated creature in the game. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Oh, and one thing. I want to say like I did it for my dad because on December 15th is my dad's birthday.
Dad's birthday. Thanks, Izzy.